Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a pure, unfiltered 2026 review on a legend. Xtreme HD IPTV is officially back. They have returned with a brand new official domain, massive server upgrades, and the new anti-freeze 10.0 technology. If you are tired of your current provider buffering during live sports, or if you are just looking for the absolute best, most reliable premium cable alternative on the market, you do not want to miss this. Let's dive right into the ultimate Xtreme HD IPTV review. First, let's clear the air. A lot of you guys noticed their old website went down recently and asked me what happened. Here is the truth. It was just a domain registrar issue. The actual streaming servers never went down. The customers who already had the service kept watching TV without a single interruption. But now the official website is fully back online at their new home and the service is performing better than ever. Let's talk about why Xtreme HD IPTV is considered the gold standard of streaming in 2026. It all comes down to the sheer volume of content and the quality of the streams. The channel grid. You are unlocking over 20,000 live global channels. I am talking about every local US, UK and Canadian news station, plus a massive international lineup. The sports package. This is where they dominate. NFL, NBA, Premier League, UFC and boxing. All pay-per-view events are included in the base plan, no hidden fees. No regional blackouts. The VOD Library. They have upgraded their video-on-demand library to over 60,000 movies and TV series. It is basically Netflix, Max and Hulu combined into one app, completely updated with 2026's newest releases. Now let's address the only thing that actually matters: buffering. Any service can promise you 20,000 channels, but if the server crashes during the Super Bowl, the service is garbage. Xtreme HD IPTV runs on their proprietary anti-freeze 10.0 load balancing servers. This is real adaptive bitrate streaming. It means when 1 million people tune in for a massive PPV fight, their servers distribute the weight. Your stream stays locked in crystal clear 4K and 1080 without that spinning circle of death. It is the ultimate VIP lane for your internet connection. Getting this running on your Amazon Firestick, Smart TV or Android box is incredibly simple. Get your account. Go to their new official website right now, secure your plan, and their system will email you your Xtreme Codes login, username, password and server URL. Download a player. Go to your Firestick, open the official downloader app and install a premium player like TVMate or IPTV Smarters Pro. Login. Open the player, click Login with Xtreme Codes API and type in the exact details from your Xtreme HD welcome email. Hit Add User, let the massive TV guide download and boom, you have a flawless cable experience for pennies on the dollar. Let's talk price. If you are paying $150 a month for cable, you need to cancel it right now. Xtreme HD IPTV gives you a 1-month plan for around $15.99. But the smart move, the one that saves you the most money, is their 12-month annual plan. You get a full year of premium zero-buffer TV for a fraction of what traditional cable charges. They even offer a lifetime plan if you never want to pay a TV bill again. Guys, Xtreme HD IPTV is officially back, and it is still the king. Head over to their official website right now and secure your account. I have put the direct link at the very top of the description and pinned it as the first comment below so you can click it instantly. If this review helped you find the ultimate cable killer, please absolutely destroy that thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe with the bell turned on so you never miss a Firestick tutorial. Drop a comment down below. How long have you been using Xtreme HD and what is your favorite channel? Let me know. Peace!